अस्सलाम वालेकुम, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे एमसीक्यूज़ रिगार्डिंग वॉमिटिंग एंड डायरिया। फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू है, अ मदर ब्रिंग्स हर 15-month old son who has diarrhea to office for evaluation. The child has been on average approximately 7 loose stools per day for the past 2 days. The stool is watery without any mucus or blood. He also vomited several times during the first day, but now it appears to be subsiding. He has been drinking fluids, but he has not much appetite for food. For the past 2 days, he is running a low-grade fever and appears to have some abdominal discomfort. He attends a local daycare where some of the children had similar symptoms. On physical examination, the child is active without any fever. He has cracked lips with moist oral mucosa. The ear, throat, lungs, and abdomen are normal. There are no abdominal masses or palpable mass, and no palpable tenderness. फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू है, व्हाट इज़ द मोस्ट लाइकली कॉज ऑफ दिस टोडलर सिम्टम्स। तो इसमें ऑप्शन में ठीक है नोरो वायरस। व्हाट इज़ द ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ चॉइस इन दिस पेशेंट एट दिस टाइम? ट्रीटमेंट एट होम विथ ओरल रिहाइड्रेशन सोल्यूशन। क्योंकि बच्चा जो है वो ज़्यादा लिथार्जिक नहीं है, वो फ्लूइड इंटेक ले रहा है, तो इसलिए इसको घर भेज देंगे विथ ओरल रिहाइड्रेशन सोल्यूशन। इन्वेस्टिगेशंस एट दिस टाइम शुड इंक्लूड विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग? Nothing at this time. Which of the following statement regarding diarrhea caused by the antigen identified in response to question are true? A and B ठीक है। इसमें upper respiratory tract infections are not associated with this gastrointestinal pathogen. In US, more than 90% of the outbreaks for which the cause would previously have been unknown can now be attributed to this virus. Which of the following statements about treatment of the condition described here is true? इसमें बेहतर यह है, dehydration can be accomplished in most patients by oral route. Which of the following represents the composition per liter of an ideal rehydration solution? Ideal rehydration solution का होता है C 75 सोडियम है, 20 for potassium. Which of the following statement regarding the prevention of rotavirus is true? भी ठीक है। देयर आर 2 वैक्सीन्स अप्रूव्ड इन द US फॉर द प्रिवेंशन ऑफ रोटावायरस गैस्ट्रोएंटराइटिस। What is the most common bacterial cause of diarrhea in children? Campylobacter. Which of the following infectious agent may produce? तो MCQ नंबर 9 है, which of the following infectious agent may produce bloody diarrhea in infants and children? इसमें A, B and C ठीक है। Which of the following statements about enterohemorrhagic E. coli is false? Person-to-person transmission is uncommon in outbreaks. Which of the following common cause of antibiotic-associated diarrhea in infants and children? All of the above. Now MCQ number 2 है, a 23-month-old infant is brought to the emergency department by his mother. He has diarrhea and vomiting for the past 3 days and appears to be at least 15% dehydrated. His eyeballs are sunken and his skin is doughy. The children has no satisfactory veins in which to place an intravenous line. What should you do now? Begin an intraosseous infusion. 13. All except which of the following investigation should be performed on any child who has ongoing diarrhea and suspected severe dehydration? Stool culture. Third MCQ है, a 3-year-old boy with diarrhea who had been camping. A mother comes to your office with 3-year-old boy who has developed severe crampy diarrhea and mild fever. The family has just returned from camping trip in the Rocky Mountains. The child became sick on the 3rd day. He was apparently drinking water from a local stream. What is the most likely diagnosis in this patient is giardiasis. Which of the following pediatric infections is often manifested with diarrhea as the initial symptom? All of the above. Which of the following is the most common cause of acute abdominal pain in children? Gastroenteritis. All except which of the following factors are associated with an increased risk of gastroenteritis? Age older than 5 years. उम्मीद है ये MCQs आपके लिए हेल्पफुल रहेंगे। थैंक यू सो मच।